Everyone, welcome back to my channel, talk to my channel. In this video we are practicing past perfect continuous tense. So what is past perfect continuous tense? So an action started in past is still continued for some time and finished after some time in past before another action happened. So Kushi is telling me some examples and a structure. So yeah, let's discuss. So I give a structure and example of past perfect continuous tense. So let's start. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. This is the structure of past perfect continuous tense. And I give a three example of past perfect continuous tense. I had been reading since morning. She has been working for an years. He had been playing since evening. This is the structure of an example of past perfect continuous tense. And now I am giving you negative examples of past perfect continuous tense. So we put subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing. And examples: I had not been eating for past 2 hours. They had not playing for since 2 hours. And since she had not been working since morning. Easily understanding, action was going on for some time in the past and stop before another past action happens. So yeah, in this way you will practice your past perfect continuous tense, and hope so this video will help you
So
to
bye
improve.
bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yeah, bye.